Remember Mint.com? Remember using it to track your spending? I bet you were devastated when they shut Mint down. And what the heck is Credit Karma anyway? Well, there is a new hope. I'm going to show you the best personal finance application that you've never heard of. And it looks just like our old friend Mint. It even has a 4-letter name. It's called Tend. As in, tend your financial garden, legal tender notes, how you tend to spend, whatever works for you. It will connect to any bank you want securely using Plaid, and take a look at the similarities in the user interface right here. You will be able to easily search, filter, and organize all your beautiful little transactions. There are so many things I could talk about, but since 3 is the divine number, here are 3 of them. Number 1, super easy, maybe even fun, transaction reviewing. When new transactions are synced into your accounts, they'll be given a little red dot indicating that they need to be categorized. Rather than slogging through each of these one at a time, or by letting AI go in there and magically get everything completely wrong, you can click this review button and be guided through the process. It will group related transactions together in bulk, and it will make intelligent suggestions for you so that at the end of the day, it starts feeling like one of those Windows install wizards where you go, yes, 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 finish. Number 2, organize your transactions into albums. Computers group related files into folders. In Tend, you group related transactions into albums. You can use this feature to know exactly how much you spent on that vacation when you include the flights, hotel, rental car, adventure tour, massage, whatever. And then you'll have an excellent idea for how to plan next year's vacation. And by the way, the total is always more than I thought it would be. Number 3, export to CSV. Spreadsheets are king. And when it's time to go full control freak on your data, you need to find that export button. So Tend put it the same place Mint put it. You scroll down to the bottom of the list, you click export your transactions, you'll get a clean table with clear headers so that you can go to town analyzing your data to your heart's content. Now, the Tend way is this. We don't have a giant list of expense categories. We only have a few, and they're all organized around how much control you had over the purchase rather than the type of thing that you bought. Now, you can still track types of spending with tags, but we believe sustainable budgeting beats perfectionistic budgeting every single day. You don't need to have 100+ categories in a micromanaged monthly budget to reap the benefits of reviewing your spending and having organized finances. So let me ask you, is Mint back? Why don't you try out Tend and tell me for yourself?